So it says that Pam and Matt are playing ping pong. The tree diagram below shows the probability of Pam or Matt winning the two matches, and we want to find the probability that Pam wins the second match. When we're doing this probability, when it's just saying like, okay, the second match, there are two ways that Pam wins the second match. Because if you look in the second match, there are two times that Pam's winning. So she could have won the first match and the second match, or Matt could have won the first match and then Pam won the second match. So because there's two ways, what we're going to do is we're going to find the probability of both of those happening and then add them together. So the probability that Pam won the first one and the second one will be 0.7 times that 0.8, which gives us 0.56. And then we're going to do the probability that Matt won the first one and Pam won the second one. So 0.3 times that 0.5, which gives us 0.15. Now that we have both of these probabilities, we are going to add them together so that we get 0.71. And so this is the probability that Pam won the second match. This one right here, that 0.71, is the probability that she won the second match because we don't have any information about what happened the first match. So when you're given a question like this, you want to see how many times that Pam could have won the second match or how many times that event could have happened, and then go down each branch and then add the two together.